Tired of Veo 3 delivering results that area well? Let's just say less than spectacular. You're not alone. The secret to unlocking Veo 3's true potential lies in mastering the art of prompt engineering. Think of it as speaking its language fluently. Today, in just a minute and a half, we're diving into crafting prompts that will get you the amazing results you crave. Step 1. The prompt formula. Every great Veo 3 prompt has 4 key ingredients: subject, action, style, and context. Think of it like a recipe for AI brilliance. First, the subject. What is the central theme of your creation? Be specific. Instead of just city, try a futuristic city on Mars. The more detail, the better. Next up is the action. What is your subject doing? Is it flying, dancing, exploring? Add verbs to your prompt. Time for style. This is where you define the visual aesthetic. Do you want something photorealistic, abstract, or anime-inspired? This guides Veo 3's artistic choices. And finally, context. This adds depth and atmosphere. Is it golden hour sunlight, a dark and stormy night, or under the sea? Set the scene. Step 2. Iteration is key. Don't be afraid to experiment and refine your prompts. The first try might not be perfect, and that's okay. Tweak your wording, add more detail, and see how Veo 3 responds. Small changes can make a huge difference. Step 3. Analyze and learn. Pay attention to which prompts generate the best results. Start building your own library of successful prompt structures. This will make creating consistent quality content a breeze. So, go forth and create. With these simple steps, you'll be crafting incredible Veo 3 masterpieces in no time. Remember to experiment, iterate, and unlock your creative potential. Now go make something awesome. Don't forget to subscribe for more prompt engineering tips and tricks to unleash your inner artist with Veo 3.